Okay, so in this test, I'm going to show you how to do a Kruskal Wallis. So notice here, he's got his soy meals. He's got 1 per week, 4 per week, 7 per week, and I think he's got no soy meals. So how did he label those? If you remember, it's down here in your variable view. Right, so he had a grouping variable which he called soy, and here's his values. All right, so if I clicked on here, you could see that's how you would group your variables. Okay. So just kind of a quick reminder of what that is. All right, so I'm going to go back to my data view. I'm going to go here to analyze. I'm going to go down to non-parametric. I'm going to go to independent samples, and I'm going to click on fields, and I'm going to use custom field assignments. And your test field, remember, is what it is you're measuring. So in this case, we're measuring sperm count. We're going to move that over. And I also need a grouping variable. All right, I'm going to move this up a little bit here. Okay, so our grouping variable is the number of soy meals per week. All right, and I'm going to move that into groups. And then I'm going to go over here to settings, and I'm going to customize the test, and I'm going to select Kruskal Wallis. Now, Andy talks about the multiple comparisons. We'll do a little bit later, but I just want to run it just as it is right now. So we're going to hit run. And you're going to get this little box just like you've seen in the other tests, and it's going to tell us that we reject the null hypothesis. So what this is telling us is that there is a significant difference in the sperm, in the rankings of the sperm, because you had to rank the data, between 0 meals, 1 meal, 4 meal, and 7 soy meals. And we'll go into detail in the next video on how we assess which groups are different from one another.